Hello students, welcome to AIMS Today YouTube channel. So here we are going with AIMS India live sessions. We are discussing about chemistry subject. From that we are going to discuss about redox reactions. This is one of the part from the chemical reactions and equation chapter, that is redox reactions. Already in chemical reactions and equation chapter we have discussed different types of chemical reactions. They are combination reactions, decomposition reactions, simple displacement or displacement reactions, and what is the fourth one? Yes, double displacement reactions or double decomposition reactions. About these four we have discussed already in the previous session. Now we are going to see about one more special kind of types of reaction, that is redox reactions. So let us see here what does it mean. A redox reaction is a type of chemical reaction that involves a transfer of electrons between two species. It means, so the chemical reaction in which the electron transfer takes place between two species, those might be either atoms or ions or molecules. The transfer of electrons taking place between two species, then the reaction undergoing there between those two is said to be redox reaction. What does it mean? Redox reaction means the chemical reaction, it is a special type of chemical reaction in which the transfer of electrons is taking place between two species. Here that species might be either an atom or a molecule, or it might be an ion also. The transfer of electrons is taking place, then that reaction is going on there is called redox reaction. Okay? Redox reactions are everywhere. Not only the reactions which we are conducting in the laboratory, not only those. In our daily life also, we'll be coming across with so many types of redox reactions. Our body uses redox reactions to convert food and oxygen to energy plus water and carbon dioxide, which we then exhale, isn't it? So what do we take? We take food and we breathe oxygen as by the inhalation. So these two will undergo some chemical reactions where oxidation or reduction occurs. So by this process occurring there, this energy and water and carbon dioxide, these will be evolved from the food by these redox reactions occurring there. So this is happening in our human body also. The batteries in our electronics, yes, the batteries which we are using, most of the electronic lithium ion batteries you say, there also electrons transfer occurs between two chemical substances, hence there also you can say redox reactions are occurring. Yes, we are able to utilize various types of fuels because of oxidation. We know we are using many kinds of fuels. Can you say some examples for the fuels? Yes. Yeah. Some petrol, diesel, kerosene, some wood. These all we are using as fuels. So these fuels, when burned in the presence of oxygen, there between the oxygen and these fuel particles, there some reactions occurs. Those reactions occurring there are redox reactions. By these redox reactions only, they are producing energy. We are using for the mechanical works. Oxidation and reduction reactions in terms of oxygen and hydrogen. Yes, actually, we told the redox reactions. These reductions are the reactions which involve the oxidation and reduction. So, this oxidation and reduction can be defined in different ways. One of them is the differentiation or the definition of the redox and redox reactions or oxidation and reduction reactions in terms of oxygen and hydrogen. There are some other ways also for explaining these oxidation and reduction reactions. One of them is in terms of oxygens or in terms of hydrogens. One more is the explanation of redox reactions in terms of electrons also. Just now I told the chemical reactions in which the transfer of electrons taking place between two species, those reactions are called redox reactions. So there we are explaining these oxidation reduction reactions or redox reactions in terms of electrons. One more way is for expression of these redox reactions, that is in terms of oxidation number. So those we are going to see now. First let us see the explanation or expression of oxidation reduction reactions or redox reactions in terms of oxygen and hydrogen. First among them, let us see what is meant by oxidation. We are telling the redox reactions are expressed in terms of oxidation and reduction, or they are expressed in terms of oxygens and hydrogens. First of all, what is meant by this oxidation? What is meant by this oxidation? Let us see. The oxidation is defined as the addition of oxygen to a substance. What does it mean? The addition of oxygen to a substance is known as oxidation. In a chemical reaction, suppose for a certain substance, if oxygen is added, then we can say that substance is undergone oxidation. Oxidation reaction occurred. What you can say? So, the oxidation can be defined in terms of oxygens. Addition of oxygen to a substance is known as oxidation. The same oxidation also can be defined in terms of hydrogens also. Let us see that here. The removal of hydrogen from a substance is called oxidation. Yes, in terms of oxygens, what we told? The addition of oxygen is called oxidation. If we say in terms of hydrogen, the removal of hydrogens is called as oxidation. So oxidation can be defined in two different ways, in terms of oxygen and in terms of hydrogens also. If you say in terms of oxygens, the addition of oxygens to a substance is called oxidation. If you say in terms of hydrogen, the removal of hydrogen from a compound or from a substance is called oxidation of that substance. In the same way, we can define the reduction also in terms of oxygen and hydrogen. Let us see those here. Reduction means the addition of hydrogen to a substance. So in terms of hydrogen, if we express this reduction, it can be defined as the addition of hydrogen to a substance.